Hey, the State Fair kicks off today.
And ABC 15's Monica Lempert is live at the fairgrounds. And Monica, lots of tips for those heading out tonight.
Absolutely, Katie and Steve. Take a look out here. Lots of people already out tonight. An estimated 1.2 million people are going to be out here on the fairgrounds throughout the next month or so. That means lots of opportunity for your little ones to get lost. But just in case that does happen and you want to prevent your little one from getting lost, there is something in place. They're handing out these little child safety bands, these white wristbands that you can give to your child. On the other side, there's an opportunity for you to write your child's name, address, your cell phone number. If they do get lost, they can bring your child to the front gates where they can then relocate you with your child. So a very good opportunity for you to reconnect with your child there. Also, we want to talk about discounts that are out here. It can get very expensive, but some of the discounts that they're offering here at the State Fair is every day $3 off with proof of 3 dairy items. So just bring a receipt from the grocery store with you. Also on Wednesdays, We Care Wednesday, bring charitable donations. And Thursdays, unlimited ride wristband day, just $30. So make sure to take advantage of those discounts here at the State Fair. Lots of fun out here. We'll be out here all night checking it out.
Oh, looks like so much fun, and love seeing it from the freeway there, all the colors. So pretty.
Yeah.
Got Trace Adkins and ZZ Top playing this weekend as well. Thanks so much, Monica. Should be good weather for it, I would think.